Hello friend, welcome back to another video. Unboxing animal toys packer. Beautiful dinosaur toys collection. Different colors. Wow, beautiful. It's really amazing. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Beautiful green trees. Wow. Oh, this is wow. Sky blue color. You can see it, guys. Beautiful color combination. Wow. Oh my god. Beautiful small green color dinosaur. White and green color combination. And this is dinosaur eggs. Beautiful. Oh my god, beautiful orange and green color combination. Wow, it's really amazing. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Oh wow, like and share. Beautiful. Oh, see, this is very beautiful mini dinosaur. Wow. And the last one is beautiful black color. Oh, black and white color combination. Beautiful.